Welcome! In this video, we will introduce you to the Creo add-on application SF-Inspect3D for Creo, which offers great potential for time saving and cost reduction through the automated collection of characteristics directly in the Creo model. SF-Inspect3D for Creo allows you to automatically collect, manage, and document your model's product manufacturing information. Through automated ballooning of the 3D model using model-based definition, SF-Inspect3D generates unique and sequential mark numbers, which can be used throughout the entire product lifecycle. After the ballooning, the bill of characteristics can also be exported as a CSV or step file, allowing you to use it in other processes, such as the creation of first article inspection reports. SF-Inspect3D for Creo is fully integrated into Creo and can be accessed using the Ribbon UI, from where you can start by automatically stamping. If you have to make adjustments to your model which affect your characteristics, Inspect3D can update your characteristics at the push of a button. Furthermore, you can add criticality classes to your characteristics, and finally, you can export the generated characteristics data in various file formats for your downstream processes with only one additional mouse click. The most important benefit of SF-Inspect3D obviously is the large amount of time you can save compared to manual ballooning. SF-Inspect3D allows for up to 80% in time savings, which furthermore come with an elimination of manual work and therefore with the elimination of numbering mistakes. Thanks to its simple integrated user interface, it is easy to use and using it can be easily learned. SF-Inspect3D also helps you with the data of your model. The automatic stamping process comes with the ability to compare revisions and track changes, and it provides the data for first article inspection reports at the same time as the 3D model is released. Let's have a look at Inspect3D in Creo. By switching to the MBD view, the 3D model and its characteristics can be viewed. By using the Create Extend BOC button in the Inspect3D toolbar, the automated ballooning can be initiated directly in the 3D model. Once the ballooning is completed, the bill of characteristics, which includes detailed information for the ballooned characteristics, can be viewed. By clicking on a line of the BOC, a characteristic can be selected, and Inspect will zoom into the 3D model to show a detailed view of characteristics. The bill of characteristics can also be exported in a CSV format to be viewed in Excel, for example for the use in first article inspection reports. All characteristic details are included in the export. Inspect3D is also capable to track changes done to the model. Let's delete characteristic 7 here and replace it with a new characteristic. Once the new characteristic is added, a click on Create Extend BOC will run Inspect3D again, and the new characteristic is given the number 80. The ballooning for characteristic 7 initially remains, but is removed after a click on Update BOC. It is furthermore possible to adjust existing characteristics. Here we change the dimensions of one drilling. After the change is done in the model, the new dimensions will appear in the bill of characteristics, and the bill of characteristics will show a remark that the characteristic has been modified. Just like the remarks for deleted and newly added characteristics, this also shows in the CSV export of the bill of characteristics. This was a brief overview over the benefits of SF-Inspect3D. Thank you for your interest in this product. If you have any further questions about Inspect3D or our other products, visit our website sf.com or feel free to contact us at info@sf.com or via phone.